Good morning, traders. Good morning, and welcome to another fantastic day to trade. This is going to be Tradescalper trades demos. This is for Tuesday, October the 10th, 2017. The market is Nasdaq NQ. Session is New York, and this is brought to you by the folks at GetTradescalper.com. All right. And so as we can see here, we are using the NQ December 2017 contract, and it actually should be 1 minute chart, and the date right here, as we can see. Okay, and as we can see here, based upon this here gold line, that's the start of the market, the session actually. Right there, and we've kind of let things get started and want to let things settle down a little bit, so we get some good trade setups today. And so let's see here, we're at 9:41, right? And if we look at today's session here, it's 9:41, and let's have a look at the calendar here. And we see we have something coming up here. Our members are speaking at 10 a.m. and bill auctions later on in the morning and into the afternoon, right? So should have a pretty good day to trade today, right? And so the disclaimer time states that trading is risky. You should never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Trading is a zero-sum game, and that there will be winners and there will be losers. You should seek out the services of a professional before you risk your money. And this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not serve as a trade calling service. And most importantly, get properly trained, so that you will know how to trade before you embark upon the trading arena and putting your hard-earned money at risk. And so, as we can see here, nothing in detail thus far, but we aim to change that in just a bit. And as we can see here, we have a long trending, upsloping trend line here. And so we'll be looking to take trades to the upside and get the setups going here. And so we'll wait and we'll see what we got unfolding for us today. And as you can see here, kind of pop some lines, horizontal support and resistance lines. And so this just serves as a help, so we'll know what areas we are and things of that nature. It's not part of the Tradescalper system. It's just something that I do to as a sanity check and just kind of keep things going in the right direction. So you'll be amazed at how often price hits these support and resistance zones. And they're not pivots or pivot points or anything like that. This is something else, all right? So we seem to have something forming up down here.
Order pending.
This level here. So we'll watch and see what we can get done here. There's something to watch, this level here, all right? Alright, so we got something forming up here, getting close to an entry point here. We're looking at a yield of about 2.5 points thus far. So we'll see if we can get into something here. Let's let it come to us, right? So this is 9:49, and as you can see, just about that time by support and resistance level. So normally it price tends to bounce off of them and retrace back. So if we can get in, get some quick profits, we'll see if we can get out of the trade before it reverses on us. Let's see here, and we're into the trade here.
Order filled.
And come on, baby. We'll cheat it out by tick. See if we can get that profits and get it and go, right? Let's see if it bounces. It's below this level here, so we're looking to go short, right? That's that long trending upslope line. Get this one to finish up for us. Get it and go. Here we go. Come on. Top baby. Channel sell alert, Nasdaq. So we got a sell alert. It's one of my other little ninja babies I got there, just watching my back. So let's see.
Target filled.
Boom. Target filled. We got the trade. Awesome, awesome, awesome trade. And as we can see here, we got some little something in the register. All right, and we'll watch and we'll wait and see some more. See where we're at there and there, right? Okay, and so we'll see if price do a retracement for us. Someone's up in there somewhere, yeah. I call them pin bars in some instances. That's what I call them, pogo bars, where they, like a pogo stick. It bounces off resistance. Here's a pogo stick in reverse. You can go back and look at them. Pull up a chart and look at them. Here's one here. All right, and you can just be amazed at how visually they stand out if you know what to look for, if you're looking for them. So let's see here what we got. So look like it's going down to another extreme level here. It's level ones. Alright, let's see. So we got an inside bar. See that? Inside bar right there. And that's where the top of this bar is higher and the top of this bar is lower than this bar here. Just saying. It's just learning your candles, man. It just makes a big difference. Let to pull up the this chart here, which is the Atlasline chart, 5 minutes, Nasdaq, and that's the December 2017 contract, right? And so this is the London session, as we can see here, and so we can see that we had a little action where price kind of was meandering that Atlas line right there for a bit. It was above it, then it went below, then it went above, then it went below, and it stayed below after the 405 mark. And so we were able to see right up in here, it was a trade to the downside, pullback trade. There was a bounce short here to here, right? There was 2 bounce shorts here down to here. So there was some pretty nice little setups there in the London session. Here's another bounce short down to here, and we had some bounce longs as the session was coming to a screeching halt, and we were getting ready for the New York session. So we had a bounce long here up to here. Here's the start of the New York session here, and of course the crazy wild gyrations and our little trade we did right there in the Tradescalper.
Order pending.
So we may have something forming up in here. We missed it. Yeah, we missed it.
Order cancelled.
Missed one. Let's see if we can get it. If it retraces back, we'll try to get it, but I think we might have missed that.
Order pending. Order filled.
Let's see if we can get it. 3 points, and it's 68 down to 65. We might have missed it, man. Oh man, I hate missing trades. Let's see if we get down right there. Hate it. Yeah, we missed it. As you can see, price has been deflecting off of these levels here. And let's see here. Can we get the trade done? Come on, Tommy, baby. I think what I may do, I may just go ahead and gobble up what I can get.
Target filled.
Yeah, we'll do it that way. That way we get something out of the deal. We won't lose, but yeah. It's up in here. And up in here somewhere, yeah. And we may have gotten the rest of it, but I'd rather be on the side, err on the side of caution, as they say, right? We missed one right here, just a couple of bars. Yeah, but we was able to get in that on that one there. So we got a second one. Mission accomplished, right? So we'll watch and see what we can get here. Alright, so it look like we may have something else forming up to the downside. And let's see if we can get that trade there. That is 1014. So we can see there. And let's see if we can get some more in the till, right? And that's the area we're looking at right here, exploiting this area right here. But of course we got this here, support and resistance zone, so we'll see. Come to me.
Order filled.
And we're in the trade there.
Target filled.
Ay. It punched me right in the gut, man. Should have got that, but we got something. I'm not going to complain about profit, right? But so much more we could have gotten, all the way to there. And it just happened so fast, I just couldn't react fast enough, but we did okay. Not bad. Third trade. Tradescalper trade, right? Not bad at all. I'll take it. And that was what was it, 1 minute? It was in trade, what, 2 minutes, 1 minute? Yeah. So there you go. Second one. Third one on the books. Nasdaq Tradescalper 1 minute. And as you can see, the software fired off, but we had already ninjally got into the trade earlier. Then there's some things that we did to exploit that zone, right? So just saying. So we got 1, 2, 3, and we're looking for some more. And so we can see prices just continuing to barrel down and respecting these support and resistance levels here. And when it gets down to this last one down here, look for a trend change to the upside. Okay, just saying. That's some of the things we want to look for, but we'll continue to hunt out, see if we get any more Tradescalper trades here, just a bit. Alright, so we see something forming up in this level right here. We've hit a couple of extreme levels, and so we want to, it might be a turnaround point, bounce to the upside. So we're going to see if we could exploit a trade to the upside here shortly. Another Tradescalper trade. Let's see if we can get in a trade, take some things out.
Order filled.
And we're in a trade there. See here, that's a yield of 2.5 points. Right there. So let's see if we can make that happen, right? We have our entry, we have our profit target, and we have our catastrophic stop in place. 10 contracts. Bottom channel buy alert, Nasdaq buy alert, so that makes me feel warm inside knowing that we got an upside, maybe potential trade. And see here, it's 10:31, 10:30, so that's so we can see there, right? Come on, baby, come on. Punch through, punch through, punch through. Go ahead, punch through and close out the trade. Let's go.
Target filled.
Target filled. Another lovely, lovely, lovely trade right there. Okay, and as we can see here, not bad for 1 hour, right? And we missed one. We missed two actually this morning. It's just saying. From here, we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Only 1 minute. I mean 1 hour. So see, we may have some more coming soon. So we'll wait and see what the trades bring us. To learn how you can get the training to start trading the Tradescalper method, click the link below.